Hi, welcome back. You're back here with old Barry one more time. I want to express our sincere thoughts and best wishes for all the good folks out in Jamaica right now who are experiencing a severe hit from Hurricane Melissa. Melissa passed by the Dominican Republic for the past 5 days. It's a very slow-moving storm. And while it did dump a tremendous amount of rain and had caused us a fair bit of flooding in certain areas, it's nothing in comparison to what the poor folks out in Jamaica are currently experiencing. So please share, along with all of us here, your thoughts and prayers for the survival and the best outcome possible from a vicious storm that's packing out winds in excess of 150 miles an hour.